How to recover deleted photos and videos in Android. The first method is using your default app gallery, that is your recycle bin or trash bin. Many Android devices such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, etc. have a recycle bin or trash bin feature in their default gallery application. So you can simply restore the photos or videos that you have deleted recently from the recycle bin. So to do that, you have to open up gallery or photos application in your mobile device. Now, go to the recycle bin, trash or recently deleted folder in your gallery, which is often in the app setting or menu. Now, select the photos or videos that you want to recover. There, at the bottom of the interface, there will have the restore option. Simply tap on it and then your photos or videos will get back to their original location in your gallery. So this was the way to recover your photos or videos from your recycle bin or trash bin in your gallery in your Android device. Or if you have backed up photos and videos to your Google Photos, you can recover them from the trash within the 60 days of deletion. For that, you have to open up Google Photos. Tap on the collection from the bottom of this interface, then now go to trash. And you can select the items that you want to recover from the trash and then tap restored. And that's how you can recover your photos and videos in Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.